The open is where most traders either lose quickly or become reactive. We will keep it quiet and structured. At the open, we only trade 3 patterns. Pattern 1, opening drive. Price moves away from VWAP and does not look back. The opening range breaks, holds for several minutes, and then pulls back gently. In an opening drive, we do not chase the breakout candle. We wait for the retest. Entry is the second step. After the break holds, we wait for a pullback that does not fail. Then we enter with defined risk. In SPX, a clean way to express, this is a debit spread near the money. Debit spreads reduce sensitivity to implied volatility shifts and help with execution. If the day truly becomes a trend day, you can keep a small portion as a runner. Pattern 2, opening reversal. This is common after overnight news. Price breaks the overnight high or low, then fails. It returns through the same level and begins moving the opposite direction. In an opening reversal, the edge comes from confirmation of failure. A failure is not a guess. It is a break that cannot hold. When the market fails a key level and then retests it from the other side, that retest becomes your entry. Option choice depends on speed. For fast reversals, near ATM 0D can work, but only with a strict stop based on structure. If you are not comfortable exiting quickly, use a 1D debit spread instead. Pattern 3, opening chop. Price crosses VWAP repeatedly. Breakouts fail. Candles have long wicks. The market feels busy, but it goes nowhere. In opening chop, we do not buy premium. Buying options in chop is paying rent on time in a building that is not moving. If you must trade in chop, your only choices are stand aside or use small, defined risk structures with strict loss limits. Now, risk management at the open is not optional. When you are wrong, you do not negotiate, you exit. Your stop is not emotional. Your stop is structural. For example, if you are long from a VWAP reclaim, and price loses VWAP and fails to reclaim it, you are wrong. If you are long from a breakout retest, and price breaks back into the range and holds there, you are wrong. If you are short and price reclaims VWAP and accepts above it, you are wrong. And one rule must be absolute. No averaging down in 0B8. If the structure is broken, the trade is broken. At the open, the goal is not to trade frequently. The goal is to wait for the first clean structure, then execute once.